And there, so to buy Avalanche AVAX, here as you can see performance, you can do that in crypto.com app. So this is where you have 80 plus different crypto assets and you can buy more niche assets. So that's that, but unfortunately at this moment it's not possible to buy it in this app, probably because I don't know, because there is a huge demand right now. So some of the assets, they are listed here and they're supposed to be available, but you can't buy them. Not sure if it will change, but anyways, to create an account in crypto.com, it's free, but you need your ID and then your selfie and then your photo of his ID, and it's just instant verification almost. But yeah, I just don't know, like, if it's just a graph where you can see the assets or you can actually buy them.